Okay, let's start again with the print function. Print hello world. Let's say instead of writing hello world inside this function, I want to store it somewhere else and then use that somewhere else to print what is inside that somewhere else. So, how would I do that? And why is this useful? This is useful because that somewhere else I can change its value, and at one time I can print hello world, and maybe then I can change it to hello, I don't know, America. So if we would run this, we get hello world. Now if I create a string or a variable, not a string, let's call it a variable equals hello world. I wrote it in capital letters so we know that it works. I'm just gonna copy this here without quotations, and then I'm going to run the script. And here it is, hello world. Woohoo, perfect. And now let's demonstrate the usefulness of this way of printing using a variable. So I can change it here. I can write, how are you? Are you? Woohoo, perfect. Let's run this. Hello world, how are you? Using the same variable, I just changed the content and then used the same function. Okay. That's it. That's all I got for you today. Goodbye.